Hi, sociology students. Mrs. Lindemeyer coming at you again with another unit introduction. This intro is on Unit 5, which is social inequalities. We're going to be taking a look in our first week on sex and gender, and then the next one will be on race and ethnicity. So we get to answer all sorts of questions like what's the difference between sex and gender? Where do we see this in our society? We also get to look at some of those gender roles by actually looking at a cartoon, which is kind of fun. And with race and ethnicity, we get to look into a bunch of stuff about race and ethnicity. Excuse my dog, Louie, he's barking. But race and ethnicity, in terms of what is race, what is ethnicity, why do we use these, and what exactly do these mean from a sociological perspective. We're going to be taking a look at it from some of our theorists' points of view, I should say. And we will also have an opportunity to visit an ethnic restaurant as one of your assignments. So I'm looking forward to this unit with you. I can't wait to see what you guys have to say about some of these interesting things that still actually affect us today. Please let me know if you have any questions, as always. And thanks, guys.